How to set up Garage61 Ghosts. Head over to Garage61, Analyze, Laps, choose the track you're at. Choose the car you want to use. Find a driver whose ghost lap if it's available. I will choose Philip Miles because I'm not going to use my own. Apply that. Select ghost there. Add to my ghost laps. Save. That will automatically download the file. Go into iRacing, options, split time delta. I have this on comparison lap. Then you hit load, choose the file you downloaded and open that. I'm done. Head out on track. The ghost car won't load up until you start a flying lap, so just go out, complete your out lap. As you can see, the ghost car has now loaded in. That is Philip Miles, who I selected.
Left of the station.
The best lap time recorded down here is that of Philip Miles, and obviously the optimal is identical. And then the last time is the time you've just done.
That was your fastest lap of the session.